Hi, Mr. Azlan, the landlord here. It's Tuesday, 17th of August, 2021, and the time is 23 minutes past 3 in the afternoon, and I'm about to have my one meal of the day. It's a three-course meal. So at the, what do you call it, for drinks, I'm gonna have a smoothie. This smoothie is my usual smoothie with assorted seeds. I think I've got oat bran and flax seeds and pumpkins and sunflower seeds and chia seeds and black sesame, white sesame. I forgot to put dates, so there are no dates in here, but I have one navel orange, I have frozen jagung, and then I have mixed berries and fruit. I think there's got bananas and blueberries and kiwi fruit. And I've added a scoop of lucuma powder, so the color is sort of greenish gray color because of that. And here I have half a zucchini. You can see, just about see one half here on the left, which is I put it upside down, the skin side up, so that you can see what it's like, and the one on the right, the skin side down. So I floated it in my shiitake dashi sauce, a broth, reduced it today so that it's nice and thick, and I've sprinkled some of my furikake, red perilla, black sesame, white sesame, what do you call it, dressing. Okay, here I have a salad. It's a rainbow salad. At the bottom I have a bed of baby green spinach, red spinach, what do you call it, then I have my Turkish style mix of one large tomato. It's not ripe, so it's kind of whitish, not really red and juicy looking, unfortunately. Half an onion. I used an Indian purple onion, half of it. One large tomato, unfortunately not so ripe. And then I added the, what do you call it, one diced navel orange, okay? And then a dash of Korean vinegar. I've used a strawberry grapefruit vinegar. And then I sliced up one green Serrano chili as well. So then I put my herb, what do you call it, salt mix and my mixed herbs, and I mashed it up, left it aside for about 20 minutes. Then I've added on top some taugeh, which are bean sprouts, and then some shredded baby romaine lettuce, okay? And I've sprinkled some of this, again, the furikake, seaweed, red perilla, and sesame, what do you call it, topping. And I'm gonna give this a good stir before I eat it okay? In fact, I made quite a bit. It produced quite a bit of oh, and I also had 2 cloves of garlic in there, okay? Anyway, I made quite a bit of that Turkish tomato onion mix with stuff, so I've only used half of it. The other half I've kept in the fridge so that I can have it for a salad later today or tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so that's it for today, 17th of August. See you next time. Bye.